Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on Dodge Magnum Dodge Charger guys. We're doing engine replacement. Here you can see quite a bit of a mess. Don't judge us, look at the shop, what it looks like. And it's freaking cold, yeah, I mean, it's about 5 degrees Fahrenheit, so let us show you now guys. We'll show you how to remove and replace coolant reservoir on Dodge Magnum Charger. We'll show you how to do that now. First we need to drain the coolant system guys, so stay with us. We're gonna go ahead and do that now and come back to removing the reservoir. So guys, what we decided to do, we took the fan off so we can show you better, because otherwise it's hard to see. You don't have to remove the fan or anything like that. Just you need to place something on the bottom of the car, like a container to catch the coolant. Don't just drain it like that. You have to catch it because that thing is a poison. And we took the fan off so we can show you where the drain plug is, right there. Otherwise it's almost impossible to show it. And now we'll need to get it loose. Okay, let me get on this side so we can demonstrate how to do that. Okay. You can see it's down there and we're gonna turn it, okay, counterclockwise, get it loose. And it's going to pop out, but it will still stay there. So, let's see how much it needs now. Okay. Okay, like that. You can see we turn it quite a bit. So we open it, now we need to remove the cap there for the radiator, because otherwise it will create vacuum and it won't come out. Okay guys, and you can see it's draining now. It's gonna take some time, but it's gonna drain. If it's stuck, we'll actually show you how to actually get that thing unstuck, because it's possible that it got some dirt and stuff probably in the plug, because it's not going fast enough. So we'll show you what to do now. So we're going to use a compressor, okay, with a blow tube, and we're going to blow in the hose. And we fixed our problem. You can see how fast it's draining now. It was just something stuck there in the system, but everything's good now. So it's gonna take about probably 10-15 minutes to drain the whole system. Just give it some time until it's done empty. And after that, all we have to do, you need to get the valve tight. You can reach it from the bottom, no problem guys, but we just wanted to show it to you good so you know where it is. That's why we took the fan off again. You don't have to do that. We have a video how to bleed the system right, because if you don't, you're going to overheat the car. So check out the channel, video will be posted soon. We're going to remove the airbox guys so we can gain more room. It's super easy. First we need to remove that hose there, the clamp, get it loose. Unlock this one there, pull the wire out. Okay, the airbox has only one bolt, so go ahead, remove that one. And we need to pull the breather hose there, the vent hose. Okay, pull that hose from the throttle body, and now the airbox should come right out of there. You can see the whole assembly and how much room we just gained. You can do it without removing it, but just for one bolt, I think it's worth the time. Okay, now we need to remove that hose right here with a just pliers. You need to pull it out. Careful, don't wiggle it too much, because that's breakable there. You need to just push it a little bit with a screwdriver. Okay, like that, because if you wiggle it, they tend to break right here. If it breaks, you might overheat the engine because of a little hose like that. 10 millimeter socket for 2 bolts now. Let's go ahead and remove those. And now we have one hose. Okay, it's gonna come up with a power steering reservoir. So what we need to do, we need to get those detach somehow. Okay, we need to figure it out first how to, guys, so we can show you. So you can see that one here, you need to pry this way. Okay, like that. And then you should be able to lift up the power steering reservoir out of there. Okay, and you just detach both of those. And the only thing left that we have, that's why you need to have system is empty, because otherwise you're gonna spray coolant everywhere. We have a video, guys, how to properly bleed the engine after that. You need to watch that video unless you know how to do it, because otherwise if you overheat the engine you're done, and that's expensive engine right there and a lot of work, I tell you. Even though it's pretty easy if you've done one or two on those, probably half a day you pull it out, the other half you install it, but it takes two people for almost a whole day job. And we need to get that hose now off, you can see, and the reservoir is right here now, guys. So when you get the replacement one, all we have to do, you need to install it. You need to install the hose there, guys, the bottom hose first. Don't forget to install the clamp on it. Okay, like that. Now we need to get that clamp with the pliers, and if one person hold it up, it's easier. You have more room to mess with it. And that's pretty tight fit there, the way they made those. Okay, it went there now, so you just need to install it like that. Next we need to get it here. We're going to install the bolts, and the power steering reservoir we'll attach it later, it'll be easier. Okay, so just the two bolts here. That's it. Now you need to connect that hose on top. Just push it in, don't wiggle it too much. Okay, like that. Get that clamp as well. Okay, that's it. Now we need to go ahead and you just get this one in the grooves, push it down until it clicks like that. And next thing, we need to install the air box, which just goes in the hole there. Okay, like that. We need to get the holes there now. Connect the mask airflow sensor on it. And we need to install that 10mm bolt there. You need to get the clamp tightened, and that will be the whole procedure, guys. Make sure that you watch our video how to bleed the system, because if you don't, you screw the engine up. You have to bleed the coolant right. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.